What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be working on the TRX4M, and we have upgrades. We are going to be doing the low gear installation here. It was $5 at my local hobby shop, low range crawl gear. Part number 9776R if you guys are looking for it. Has 3 gears and the pinion gear that goes on the motor itself. Now, if you guys are thinking about changing this and you're kind of intimidated by gears, a good video to watch because we're going to go step by step. Super easy to do. The mesh is already set up when you put it all together, so you don't got to worry about that. I'm going to rip the body off here, battery out, as always. Now, the first thing we are going to do is take this battery tray out here, 2 screws. And everything today is going to be a 1.5 millimeter hex driver. That is every single screw on the truck, so that's all the tools you need. Okay, we got those 2 screws out. Now the battery tray comes out kind of weird. You gotta like twist it on a corner and pull up and kind of pull the side out, bend it a little bit, and free it comes. Just kind of wiggle it around a little bit. It's a little bit wedged in there. It has like little tabs that go into the rail right there. But now this thing is so dusty, it's so dirty. I don't know what I got into, but it's going to be 4 bolts holding on the transmission here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to come out with the motor, and it'll pull out the drive shafts in the middle, all in one section. Now we got those 4 screws out. This just pulls straight up. Gotta kind of wiggle it back and forth a little bit, and it is free. Drive shaft still attached there. Now I'm going to leave the wire routed because I do not feel like messing with the wire, so we're just going to push the truck back a little bit. And now that we got this out, we're just going to take out these little drive shaft screws right here on each side, and then there's 4 screws on the front cover that actually hold it on. So I'm going to take those out real quick. Okay, now that we have all the screws off the front cover here, drive shafts off, let's go ahead and lift this off. And there we go, we have our transmission gears here. Now it does look intimidating, but we are going to do this in an easy way so you can remember how it goes back together. Now if you want, you can go ahead and take a picture at this point in time to make sure you get it back in order. But I'm going to show you an easy way. But first, let's open our new gears. There we go, we got our gears spread out, got our transmission open. I'm going to put the cover over to the side for now. Now what we're going to do is take these out in order. Lay it down kind of how the gear goes in there. Just going to leave it right there, then kind of just put them in order here. So remember which way they go in. And then the last gear there, we actually have to take out 2 screws to get the motor released from this cover. Now I didn't pull the screws all the way out of the cover. I'm just going to leave them in the holes like that, just so we can line it up good. Now there's no screw for this gear. Should be able to just pull it off. There we go. That was a rough one. Now don't mix your gears up when you're putting your new gears on. Now I'm gonna put this way over here next to my gnome over here. Call him Steve. He's our mascot today. But I had the new low crawl gear. Now it might be the same tooth, I'm not sure. I didn't look it up, but we are gonna go ahead and replace this anyway. There we go, sunken on, spins free, looking good. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this back into the cover. Now these screws already have Loctite on it to screw into the motor, so you don't gotta worry about that. Now time to start switching gears. Now remember, I took this gear out first, second, third, so we're gonna replace this guy. Find the correct gear in the new low gear set, which is going to be this one right here. Just like so. That's gonna go in just like that. Next gear, find the same one. That one looks like the same guy right there. That will go in just like that. Then only one more gear left. Just like that. All our gears are changed. We now have the low gear set. Now all we got to do is reverse order, put the cover on. Not going to bore you guys with that. I'm just going to go to the final part where we see how slow this thing can crawl. Alright, we have the gears installed. Let's see how slow this thing can go. Oh wow, the control. That's crazy. Super slow. Oh, crawling over the gears. And we're gone. Alright, let's see if it can crawl over my hand without... Oh wow, that's crazy. No problem, I don't have to throttle burp it. Just crawls right over with ease. Huge improvement, glad I put that on. So that's how you install the low speed gears on the TRX4M. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment below, and subscribe to see more awesome content. And stay tuned!